Hi, my name is Haley. I'm here with Wild Hand, and today I'm going to be showing you how to crochet the star stitch. I will be using this Leica crochet hook, and for my yarn I'll be using this Kelborn Woolens Germantown. Both the hook and the yarn will be linked in the description box below. So let's get started. I'm going to make a slip stitch, and then I'm going to chain any even number. In my case it's going to be 18. So I have my chain here, and now I'm ready to work the first star stitch. I'm going to skip the first stitch under my hook and insert my hook into the second stitch. And then I'm going to pull up a loop, and I'm going to do this 3 more times. So I'm going to insert, pull up a loop, insert, pull up a loop. So I worked that under the 4 stitches on my chain. Now I have 5 loops on my hook. And I'm going to yarn over, pull through all 5, and you can see that's kind of rounded up and created the first part of our star, and we chain 1. So for the rest of the stitches on this row, we're going to insert our hook into that eye of the chain 1, then we're going to insert our hook into the last chain from the previous stitch, and then we're going to insert our hook under 2 more chains below. So there's 1 and here's 2. Now we have our 5 stitches, so I'm gonna yarn over, pull through all 5, and then chain 1. So one more time. We're gonna insert our hook into the eye of that star, pull up a loop, insert our hook into the last chain we worked, pull up a loop, and then we're gonna pull up 2 more loops along the chain. So here's 1. And then into the next chain, here's 2. I have 5 loops, pull through all 5, chain 1. And you'll continue down the chain until you have 1 stitch left at the end. When you get to the end, you're going to skip chaining 1 and instead yarn over, insert your hook into that last chain, and make a half double crochet. And that's how you'll finish your first row. Now we're going to chain 2, and we're going to complete the top half of our stars by working 2 half double crochets into the eyes of the stars from our previous row. So I'm going to go down the row, make 2 half double crochets, and then skip over that stitch right there and go into the next eye right here. And half double is just yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3. So into the next eye, yarn over, insert my hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3. And I'll do that all the way down the row until I have 1 stitch left. So when I get to the end, I'm going to skip that last little V here that was on top of the star and insert my hook into the top of the chain from where we started and do a half double crochet. So now we finished our first set of stars, and we're going to chain 3 and turn our work. Now to work the stars from here on out, you're going to insert your hook into the second chain from your hook and pull up a loop, and then into the third chain from your hook and pull up a loop, and then into the first 2 stitches of that row. So now I have my 5 loops. I'm going to yarn over, pull through all 5, chain 1. So from here the stars will be worked similarly to the foundation row. Into the eye, pull up a loop, into the previous stitch, pull up a loop, and then into the next 2 stitches instead of the next 2 chains. So I have 5, pull through all 5. Oops, there we go. Chain 1. So 1 more time into the eye, pull up a loop, into the previous stitch, and into the next 2 stitches. And then yarn over, pull through all 5, chain 1. And you'll continue that to the end, putting a half double crochet into that last stitch. So here's the end of my row. I'll skip the chain 1, yarn over, and work a half double crochet into that last stitch. And then I will go back to the half double crochet row, so chain 2, and work 2 half double crochets into the eye of each of the stars from the row below, like so. And you'll repeat these 2 rows over and over, and you'll quickly see that it creates all these beautiful stars. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to catch all of our future tutorials.